is just roasting the tires right now, guys. Like no shit. Take it out of overdrive. Oh yeah, it's just fucking the tires up. Just roasting them. See my homie Nick's home. Like it's so hard not to keep doing this. Like I'm doing like fucking 45 right now. It's just eating the tire. I don't know if my boy Nick's home or not. Yep, maybe. No, he is not. Nick, come and get your garbage can, Nick. About to run that bitch over. I can definitely tell I got a locker in the rear end. 100%. Ugh, so hard